Hey everyone, in this video I'm just showing you guys what to do if you ever come across a situation when you are installing a new compressor on your refrigeration system. So we got this access port here, and I just mounted this new compressor here, and I'm about to braze this on. However, however way I put my access port on here, it's still crooked and it's not fully in. Don't know if you guys can see, but it's not fully in over here, and it's actually kind of crooked. Don't know if you guys can see that. So what I like to do in this situation, this is a little trick I've learned over the years, is try to find a adjustable wrench like so, and you want to use this hole over here. You want to put it through the access port like so, and gently bend it out. Gently, guys. Don't know if I'm gonna change the view so you guys see what I'm doing. So once you got the adjustable wrench, little hole on the handle firmly on the access port, you gently want to bend the access port outwards. Let me see if you guys can see that. I'm gonna go gently and so you guys can see what happens. That should be good enough. And now our access port should slide right in and straight as a bow. So that's how you bend the access port out a bit if you find that it is bent too much for your access port to be brazed on.